How you doing?
Good, Carmen, how are you?
I'm great. You've just come back and you're proudly holding your P's, hey?
Yeah.
Wow, that's a bit of a journey for us, wasn't it?
Yeah, quite a journey.
From your early days when you first learnt to drive?
Yep.
You came and saw us?
Yeah, right at the start.
Yeah, same as Paris and Holly.
Yep.
And now you've just come back and sat for your driving test after a few more lessons.
Yeah. Yep.
So just give us some feedback about how you found everything so the other students can understand.
I found it very helpful just because I'm a very, very nervous driver, and it helped me a lot with confidence because I was so scared to drive, and then building up that confidence, making sure that I got everything right and on point and I can do it all my skills very well. Confident now.
Well, that's a major point, isn't it, for some people who do tend to be a bit scared, I suppose, or not confident, and it's building up on that to the level that you're at today. Isn't that great?
Yeah, excellent.
So well done, congratulations, and all the very best in your future.
Thanks, Carmen.
And safe driving, Elise, and it's been a pleasure to have you.
Thank you, Carmen.
Thank you. See ya.
See ya.